Happy New Year! In our today's lesson, Rose's family is preparing the dinner to celebrate the new year. Let's see what is happening in her house.
Today is the last day of the year and everybody is doing something. Mom and Dad are cooking the dinner, while the children play together. We can see love and gratitude everywhere. Grandma reads beautiful stories and the children love it. Uncle Ted is cutting the vegetables for the dinner. And Aunt Sophia is making a cheesecake. Lily is making her bed. Bella is talking to her friends. And Rob is listening to music. Soon we will set the table for dinner, and we are grateful for this year. Even knowing that some days the things were not so good, and that sometimes we were worried about the future, or angry about something. Everything takes place on the right time. So, today is time for gratitude for all the good, and not so good, things that happened. Thanks for being with us this year. Hope we can be always together. We wish you a fantastic new year.